Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Raf, or Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to continue to talk about the present simple, this time for third person singular, he, she, it. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, does he like pizza? Look at this question. What's the construction of the question? Well, let's have a look. Auxiliary verb does, subject he, like, the verb of course, and the object, pizza. Does he like pizza? Pay attention to the affirmative answer. He likes pizza. Guys, he is the subject. Like is the verb. Pizza is the object. He likes pizza is the third person. In the affirmative, it's necessary to use the S. Negative answer, he doesn't like pizza. Now pay attention because I have the subject he, I have the auxiliary verb in the negative, doesn't, the verb like, no S, okay guys, and the object pizza. We only use the S in the affirmative, okay? Let's take a look at some examples. We use the simple present to talk about routine, fact, habit, and to give opinion in the present, okay? Let's see some examples for third person. She wakes up at 7 every morning. This is routine. Pay attention to the S in wakes, okay? She wakes up at 7 every morning. He eats cereal for breakfast. This is a habit, okay? Eats, because it's affirmative. He eats cereal for breakfast. He studies English. Well, that's a fact, okay? He studies English. She likes pepperoni pizza. That's an opinion, okay? Alright guys, let's see how we use the affirmative sentences, okay? It's not necessary to use the auxiliary verb, remember. But remember, you have to include the S. Let's see. He likes pizza. She likes Chinese food. It likes to dance. Now, in negative sentences, okay, we use the auxiliary verb doesn't. Let's see some examples. He doesn't like pizza. She doesn't like Chinese food. It doesn't like to dance. All right, guys. And remember, every time we have a question, an interrogative sentence, it's necessary to use the auxiliary verb does. Let's take a look at some examples. Does he like pizza? Does she like pizza? Does it like to dance? Well, guys, we have the possibility of short answers too. Let's take a look. Remember, we can use short answers when answering questions, okay? They're more simple to use. Does he like pizza? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does she like Chinese food? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does this car go fast? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Well, guys, for today, that's it. Remember, study hard, and most importantly, always use your English. Bye-bye.